In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo to your resume on Canva inside of the Canva app. So once you're on Canva, you can either open up your resume, or if you don't have one, go ahead and go to the search bar, go to Canva templates, and then type in resume. So I'm going to open up this resume. You can also use and add a photo to a blank resume. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the photo, and we're just going to delete the image and we'll delete the frame, and I'll show you how you can add one from a blank template here. So if you've got room for your photo, go to the bottom here to this sliding tool, and you want to slide over to uploads, click on uploads, and then click upload files. And here you can go and upload files from your photo library, or you can take one right now. I'll upload from my photo library. We'll use this one here. We'll use this photo. We can then click add. Now that's going to upload that to Canva, and we can use this photo. So we'll click on the photo, and it's going to add it here to our resume, and we can resize this however we'd like. Now we can put this on the screen here into the space, but what would we want to do if we wanted to have it as a circle? So if you want a circle effect, go ahead and click off your image and click off the design, and then you need to go ahead and find the circle frame. To do that and to find the frame, go to elements. It's going to be at the bottom here, all the way to the left of this slider. Click on elements. Then you should see frame. If not, just search for it. Search frame. Then you'll see the circle frame. Click on that. And here you can reposition this into the position it needs to be. Then drag your photo onto the frame and it will snap in place. And then that's how you can do it. Then you can go ahead and download your resume in the top right hand corner. And you can then click on download. So I hope that helped you out.